Poverty Point Customs here. What I'm going to do today is I have a small hallway in my downstairs of my house. There's my kitty. And what I want to do is get rid of the old classic 90s and early 2000s ceiling light, and I'm actually replacing it with a StarRaker Artika LED ceiling light. This is 1800 lumens, which is fairly bright, especially for this small hallway, and these are guaranteed for roughly 50,000 hours. So the next step is to get the old light down. So this is what wiring looks like in an old house. So you're going to have your negative and positive, and I'm going to also hook up a ground. So you're going to disconnect these wires next. Again, make sure your power's off. Alright, let's take a quick look at the box before we open it. So this was purchased at Costco, and it was actually on sale. The regular price, I believe, is $35.99, and it had $8 off. That's Canadian. Just shows your features. So this is nice because you can actually hook it up to a dimmer too. Just showing what the inside of the box looks like, so I'll get it out on the table. So this is the actual light itself. So again, you have the LED going around the perimeter there, so this is actually replacing your light bulb. There's not much to them. That's your control unit in the center. And these are the tabs that you push them in like that to put on the shade, and then once the shade's up, you push it like that and it locks the shade in. So let's get it up, see how it looks. Alright, so it's all wired. So really it's 3 wires, a negative, a positive, and a ground. Again, make sure the power's off before you do something like this. I've done quite a bit of electrical, so it's pretty simple. So let's give it a try. Hopefully I wired it right. And there we go. You can see in the video it probably looks like it's flashing a little bit. In real life it's not. So the next step is to install the shade. So to install the shade, just make sure all your locking tabs are like that so this shade will slip on. And again, to lock the shade on, it's just a matter of pushing it. And just like that. And to unlock it, to take the shade off, just pull it like that. So there's 3 of those tabs. Alright, so it's all installed. I think it looks great. It updates it compared to the old light that used to be up there. And the amount of light coming from it is probably 5 times what the other bulb had. And it looks great. And with this light too, they say it has uplighting, so you can see it's lit up a little bit on the ceiling. It's probably a little hard to see on the video, but it lights it up super nice. And I find it disperses the light just not down, but all through the hallway. Anyways, guys, just a short unboxing video and installing a new LED light. Take care, have a great day.